I welcome you all to this mathematics class. I'm Ms. Vandana Gupta, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. We are in the unit Elementary Probability Theory. We have started with probability theory. The definition of probability, that is probability of an event, is number of points in A divided by number of points in the sample space S. That shows that whenever you have to solve a problem to calculate the probability of an event, you must always, first of all, find out what is the sample space and how many points sample space has. Then find out what the event A will have, number of points in A. And then probability of the event A will be number of points in A divided by number of points in S. And the value of the probability should always be between 0 and 1. It can be 1, but it should not be bigger than 1. Okay. And also it cannot be negative. Then we have solved this problem yesterday. Two fair dice are rolled together, not one after the other. Okay, they are thrown together. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers appearing on the uppermost faces of the dice is the so many events I have taken. So this we have done yesterday. So let us see the next problem now. Look at this question. Two fair dice are rolled together. Two fair dice are rolled together. Means you are throwing two dice together. Find the probability that, what is the probability, what probability you have to calculate here? The number on the uppermost face of the first dice is greater than the number on the second dice. What is your event here? अगर आपने दो डाइस को थ्रो किया तो पहले वाले डाइस के ऊपर जो नंबर आ रहा है that should be bigger, greater than the number which is appearing on the second dice. This is your first event. Second one is find the probability that the number on the uppermost face of the first dice is is less than the number on the second dice. And third one is the number on the uppermost face of the first dice is equal to the number on the second dice. Okay. So what we will do as usual, first of all, we have to write down the sample space of this experiment. Two dice are rolled. So what is the sample space? It will contain 36 points. This we have seen yesterday also. Both the dice are showing 1 and 1 or 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Like this, all the possible outcomes we have seen. Last one is 6, 6. Both the dice can show 6 and 6. So number of points in the sample space is 36. Okay. Now let us take one by one the events. So let us call the event A as the event that the number on the uppermost face of the first dice is greater than the number on the second dice. Means what is my event here? If I throw two dice, then the number which is coming on the first dice, I mean the uppermost face, yahan first, this is first dice and this is the second one. The number on the first dice is greater, is bigger, greater matlab bigger than the number on the second dice. That event I'm calling it as A. So let us see out of these possible results which will come in A. Look at the first one, 1, 1. Will it come? No. क्योंकि दोनों में 1, 1 आ रहा है. We want first dice में जो number आ रहा है, that should be more or bigger than or greater than the number on the second dice. So this will not come. Even this will not come. क्योंकि यहाँ जो पहली dice पे number है वो 1 है. It is not bigger than 2. In fact, 1, 1 से लेकर 1, 6 तक कोई भी number नहीं आएगा. कोई भी outcome नहीं आएगा इस event में. What about 2, 1? Yes, because first one is showing 2 and the second one is showing 1 and 2 is bigger than 1. So this will come. 2, 1 will come. 2, 2 will not come. 2, 3 will not come. Like that, 2, 6, none of them will come in the event A. What about 3, 1? Yes, 3, 1 will come because first डाइस के ऊपर 3 है और सेकंड डाइस के ऊपर 1 है. तो you can see that the first dice, the number written on the first dice, if it is 3, and on the second dice, if it is 1, then if it is 3 here and it is 1 here. So the number on the first dice is bigger than number on the second dice. So 3, 1 will come. Similarly, 3, 2 will also come. 3, 3 will not come. So 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. None of them will come in my event A. What about 4, 1? Yes, 4, 1 will come. 4, 2 will come. 4, 3 will come. Not 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6 will not come in my event A. Then 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. So these many results or outcomes will be in my event A. How many are they in number? When you count, they are 15. So N of A will contain 15 sample points. What is the probability of event A? As per our definition of probability, it is N of A divided by N of S. N of A is 15. 15 divided by N of S is 36. So 15 divided by 36, which is 5 upon 12. When you divide 5 by 12, you will get this. Now, in your exam, in MCQ, if your one of the option is in this form, then you pick that. If it is in decimal, then you have to divide, and so both way, I mean, it is same exactly. Okay. So as per the answer, you have to, if it is in fraction, then this will be the answer. अगर decimal में है, तो ये आपको one of the option दिया रहेगा. ठीक है? So the probability that the number on the uppermost face of the first dice is greater than the number on the uppermost face of the second dice is 0.4167. So this much is the chance. Okay. Let us see the second one. What is the second one? You call this as an event B. So let B denote the event that the number on the uppermost face of the first dice, this time we want less than the number on the second dice. So what is this event? If you throw 2 dice, my event is the number on the first dice is less than the number on the second dice. So 1, 1 definitely will not come. 1, 2 will come. अगर यहाँ 1 आया है और इधर 2 आया है, तो 1 is less than 2. फर्स्ट डाइस के ऊपर जो नंबर है वो सेकंड डाइस के नंबर से कम है, तो 1, 2 आ जाएगा. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Similarly, you see 2, 1 will not come in this event. 2, 2 also will not come. 2, 3 and 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6, they will come. Similarly, 3, 4, 3, 1 will not come. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 will come, and 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 5, 4, 6, and then 5, 6, 5, 6. 6, 1 से 6, 6 में कोई भी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि हर जगह पर first number is greater than the, I mean the number on the first dice is greater than the number on the second dice. What we want is less. So these many will come in A. You count, they are 15 in number. So the probability of the event, we call it as an event B. It's not A. We are calling it as B. Okay. So the probability that the event B occur is N of B. By mistake, I've written A. It is B. Actually, we are calling it as B. Okay. So probability of this event is 15 upon 36, which is again same as 0.4167. So दोनों का आंसर सेम ही आ रहा है. What about the third one? The number on the uppermost face of the first dice is equal to the number on the second dice. Let us call that as an event C. Okay, so let's see, denote the event that, make a correction here, that the, so N of C is 6. So let us call the event C as the event when the number on the first dice is equal to the number on the second dice. So which outcomes will come under C? Look at here. What we want here, when you throw 2 dice, दोनों के ऊपर जो नंबर आएगा वो सेम होना चाहिए. Okay, so what are the possible results? 1 1, अगर दोनों पे 1 1 आया, या फिर दोनों पे 2 2 आया, या 3 3, या 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, दोनों पे सेम. So these are the 6 outcomes in this event C. So n of C is 6. So what is the probability of C? N of C divided by n of S. This is by mistake, it is copied from the, in copy paste में ये mistake हो गया है. Actually it is C. Okay, so n of C divided by n of S, so that will give you 6 upon 36. So the answer is 1 upon 6. 6 upon 36, which, as I told you, always you have to write the fraction in the simplest form. So it is both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 6. So 6 1 ja 6 and 6 6 ja 36. So your answer will be 1 divided by 6. If you divide 1 by 6, you will get 0.167. Okay. So this completes the problem. Now look at, I have taken another problem here. 3 unbiased coins are tossed together. यहां पर हम 3 कॉइन्स को साथ में टॉस्ट कर रहे हैं. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग नो हेड, मतलब तीनों में भी हेड नहीं है, 1 हेड. तीनों में से एक ही जगह पर हेड आया है. थर्ड 2 heads and fourth one 3 heads. As usual, very first thing is to write the sample space of this experiment. So let S be the sample space. Then how many possible outcomes will be there of this experiment? This I have explained you before also and given you for homework also. Some of you could not do, then I have explained also. So here you are tossing 3 coins. So what are the possible results? कितने possible results आपके हो सकते हैं? तो पहले हम फिक्स कर देंगे फर्स्ट कॉइन. सपोज दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉइन, सेकंड कॉइन एंड थर्ड कॉइन. Suppose let us fix that the first coin goes in head. So what are the chances for the second coin? It can go either in head or in tail. First coin I have fixed as head. This is the way you have to count. Okay, permutation mein we have seen that how to do the counting. Okay, you should not go in a haphazard way. Otherwise, या तो आप कुछ मिस कर देंगे या एक किसी को डबल काउंट कर देंगे. तो you have to follow a systematic pattern. Okay. So suppose I fixed that the first coin shows me head. Okay. So what are the possibilities for the second coin? It can either show head or tail. These are the only possible. So if first is in head and second also in head, what are the chances for the third coin? It may go either in head or in tail. So either I may have HHH or I may have HHT. Correct? Now, if the first coin is going in head, the second coin is showing tail, then for the third one, first coin in head, second coin in tail, third one I have either H or T. This is the only 4 possibilities I will have when first coin is showing head. Similarly, when the first coin is showing tail, then what are the possibilities for head and tail? I mean for second and the third coin. Second coin can show head or can show tail. So TH, when the first coin is showing tail, the second coin showing head, third coin may show head or it may also show, it may show tail. Wait a minute. When the first coin is showing tail, the second coin, there are 2 options. Either it will go in head or it will go in tail. If the second coin is going in head, for third coin, again there are 2 choices. It can go in head or it can go in tail. So I may have THT. If first one goes in tail, second one also goes in tail, then for the third one, there are again 2 choices, either head or tail. So TTT. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 possible results of this experiment. And that is what I have written here. So number of points in the sample space when you toss 3 coins together will be 8. There are 8 possibilities. Okay, 8 different results you will get. Okay. Now let us take one by one the events and find the probabilities. So what is the first one? What is the probability of getting no head? Let A be an event of getting no head. तो कहां पर आपको ऐसा रिजल्ट मिल रहा है जहां पर हेड है ही नहीं? दिस इज द ओनली वन, टी टी टी, इसमें बिल्कुल हेड नहीं है, तो ए इज ऑल द 3 कॉइन्स आर शोइंग टेल. अगर ये लेंगे तो इसमें एक जगह हेड है, वी डोंट वांट एनी हेड, नो हेड, so A will contain only this result. So number of points in A is 1. So what is the probability of getting only one head? 1 divided by 8. When you 1 divide by 8, you will get 0.125. So probability of getting no head is 0.125. Similarly, let us find out what is the probability of getting one head. Let call this as an event B. Let sample space वही रहेगा, है ना? Let B be an event of getting one head. Then write down what results will come in B. एक head चाहिए हमको, तो ये नहीं आएगा, ये भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि इसमें 2 head है, ये भी नहीं आएगा, यहाँ भी 2 है, we want only one head, तो ये आ जाएगा, तो HTT. This will not come, this will come, THT. First coin showing tail, second coin showing head, third coin again showing tail, so THT will come. This will also come. So how many? 3. So number of points in the event B is 3. What is the probability? 3 upon 8. When you divide 3 by 8, you get this. Therefore, when you toss 3 coins together, the chance or the probability of getting one head is 0.375. Let us go for the next problem. Call the event C as the event of getting 2 heads. Then write down what are the possible results come in C. 2 heads we want. So this won't come. Yes, this will come. HHT, HST. This also can come. HTH, THH. Yes. Then none of them. Okay. So 3 again. So again, the probability of getting 2 heads is 3 upon 8. That is 0.375. Fourth one. Probability of getting 3 heads. मतलब आपने 3 कॉइन को टॉस किया. All 3 have gone in head. Okay. So what is that? Is only this one possibility. So let D be an event of getting 3 heads. That means when you toss 3 coins, तीनों कॉइन पे आपको हेड आ रहा है. ऐसा एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी होगी जब 3 heads मिलेंगे. That is all 3 are showing head. So only one. N of D is 1. So what is the probability of getting 3 heads? N of D divided by N of S. That is 1 divided by 8. That is 0.125. Okay. Let us see one more problem. A box contains 20 tickets. There is a box जिसमें 20 tickets है, numbered 1 to 20. हर एक टिकट के ऊपर एक नंबर लिखा हुआ है, 1 या 2 या 3 up to 20. 20 tickets है और 20 numbers है. हर एक टिकट के ऊपर एक नंबर लिखा है. Now this ticket is drawn from the box. What is the probability that the number on the ticket drawn is divisible by 5? And the second one is not divisible by 5. अब पहले क्वेश्चन समझो. क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक बॉक्स है. रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या है हमारा? एक बॉक्स है, उसमें 20 चिट्स रखे हैं, 20 टिकट्स रखे हैं, और आपको उसमें से एक को निकालना है. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट जो टिकट आपके हाथ में आया उसमें जो नंबर लिखा है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5? दिस इज फर्स्ट वन. द सेकेंड वन इज जो आपके हाथ में टिकट आया उसके ऊपर जो नंबर लिखा है दैट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5. Okay. So what will be the sample space of this experiment? Let S be the sample space. आप 20 टिकट में से एक को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. In how many ways you can do it? 20 ways. जैसे 52 कार्ड्स में से एक को ड्रॉ करना है तो 52 ways. 52C1 ऐसे ही है. 20C1 20 टिकट्स में से आप एक टिकट को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. Okay. So it is actually 20C1. 20C1 will give you 20. कोई भी एक टिकट आपके हाथ में आ सकता है. 1 factor 20 minus 1 19 factorial. So that is 20 into 19 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1 and 19 factorial. This and this will get cancelled, so you will get 20. अगर आपको ये फॉर्मूला भी लगाने में प्रॉब्लम है तो आपको ये याद रखना है 20 टिकट में से एक निकाल रहे हैं तो वो 20 डिफरेंट तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं। तो n of s विल बी 20। आइदर आपके हाथ में जो टिकट आएगा उस पे 1 लिखा होगा, या 2 या 3, या तो अप टू 20। सो n of s इज 20। ओके, देखो अगर 2 टिकट निकाल रहे हैं तो 20C2 वो आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। अगर 2 कार्ड ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो 52C2। तो अगर एग्जाम में 2 कार्ड का आता है या 3 कार्ड का आता है तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू डू। ओके, I have taken only for one, but the idea is same. Okay, ठीक है। तो यहाँ हम एक ही टिकट निकाल रहे हैं तो it can be done in 20C1, that is 20 different ways. Now, what is my event? Let A be an event that the number on the ticket drawn is divisible by 5. तो 1 से लेकर के 20 में कौन कौन से नंबर हैं जो 5 से डिवाइड होते हैं, वो यहाँ इवेंट ए में आ जाएंगे। तो यू नो व्हाट आर द नंबर्स व्हिच आर डिविजिबल बाय 5, जो 5 से डिवाइड होते हैं? 5, 10, 15 एंड 20। हाउ मेनी आर देयर इन नंबर? 4। सो n of a is 4। okay, so what is the probability of a? N of a divided by n of s, 4 divided by 20. N of s is 20. 4 divided by 20, which is 1 upon 5, that is 0.2. So the probability that the number on the ticket drawn is divisible by 5 is 0.2. Okay, that is 20% chance is there। अगर आपने इसको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट किया तो, कि आपके हाथ में जो टिकट आएगा उस पे जो नंबर लिखा होगा वो 5 से डिविजिबल होगा। ओके, व्हाट इज द सेकंड वन? नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5। इसमें हमने डिविजिबल बाय 5 लिखा, इसमें नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5। तो जो नंबर ये नहीं है 5, 10, 15, 20, उसके अलावा जो नंबर है वो नहीं है डिविजिबल। कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द इवेंट। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट। नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 5 मतलब the a is not occurred, तो क्या अकर हुआ? उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो a में नहीं है ना। तो let us see, let b denote the event that the number on the ticket drawn is not divisible by 5, यानी जो 5 से डिवाइड नहीं होता है ना। तो b में क्या क्या आ गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 नहीं आएगा, 5 डिविजिबल बाय 5 है। 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 नहीं आएगा। 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 नहीं आएगा। 16, 17, 18, 19, नॉट 20। तो जो इसमें a में नहीं है, ओके, सो दे आर 16 इन नंबर। देखो टोटल 20 थे, ए में 4 है, तो बाकी के 20 माइनस 4 दे आर नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 5। सो 20 माइनस 4 मतलब 16। सो एन ऑफ बी इज 16। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी विल बी 16 upon 20। When you see that, as I told you, 16 upon 20, 2 8 just 16। 2 start with the smallest one first, 2 है तो दोनों 2 पे डिवाइड होते हैं। तो 2 8 जा 16, 2 10 जा 20। अगेन देखो दोनों 2 पे डिवाइड होते हैं, 8 and 10, 2 4 जा 10, 2 5 जा 10, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10। So 4 divided by 5. When you divide 4 by 5, you get 0.8. So the probability that the number on the ticket drawn is not divisible by 5 is 0.8. If you convert into percentage, you will get 80%. 0.8 will give you 80%. Okay, so there is 80% chance कि अगर आपने बॉक्स में अगर 20 टिकट रखे और आपने एक टिकट रैंडमली निकाला तो आपके हाथ में जो नंबर आएगा, टिकट पे जो नंबर आएगा वो डिविजिबल बाई 5 नहीं है, उसका चांस 80% है, और डिविजिबल बाई 5 है उसका चांस 20%। ओके, सो वी हैव सॉल्व दिस 3 प्रॉब्लम्स टुडे। फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम डाइस का तो हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया था, so you practice these problems। okay, thank you। So I will now give you the attendance link। If you have some doubts then you can ask me।